fireplace. For like all recordings. And we are on our impromptu holiday. You see, we are on holiday with the Fruity Flock gang and also Nimble Navigators. We've actually not long woke up and we're currently waiting for Nimble Navigators' owner to get back. Fruity Flock's owners to join us at some point. But we thought we'd give you a quick tour of this beautiful place that we're staying in. Just a very quick one, and then we need to go wake up the girls. Not me. I'm being stuck. What? Trees though because they're really low and wide.
That was impressive.
Now you go back in.
Stop it. No, I don't want your feet.
Ow!
wasn't as bad as some of his bites though.